Do you want to speak English confidently, but don't know how to start? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to learn and speak English easily, step by step. Simple English. No grammar headache. The first step is listen. Yes, listening is the key. Watch English movies, listen to podcasts or YouTube videos with subtitles. When you listen daily, your brain starts to understand English naturally. No pressure, just enjoy and listen. Step 2. Speak small sentences. Don't try to speak big or difficult words. Start with easy lines like, I am hungry. I am going to the market. Practice these every day, in front of a mirror or with a friend. Step 3. Think in English. Yes. Stop translating from Hindi to English. Start thinking small things in English. For example, I need water. It is a good day. Your brain will get used to English faster this way. Step 4. Learn only 5 new words daily. Not 50, just 5. Write the meaning. Make small sentences. Like, word. Beautiful sentence, you are beautiful. This simple trick will grow your vocabulary easily. Step 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes. Speak freely. Learn from your mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying. Confidence is more important than perfection. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to start. You just need to start to be perfect. Practice 15 to 20 minutes daily. Be patient, be confident. You can do it.